Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today is 24th of February 2024 and today is the second full moon of this year. So in this video today I am going to show you this full moon through this telescope, which is a reflector type telescope. And if I talk about the specifications, then the aperture of this telescope is 114 millimeter, which is equivalent to 4.5 inch. And if I talk about the focal length, then the tube focal length is 900 millimeters. I have three different type of IPCs, that is 25 mm, 10 mm and 4 mm. So we will be seeing the full moon through all those three IPCs, as well as I will try some different combinations with the Barlow lenses. I have two Barlow lenses, 2x and 3x Barlow lenses. So in this video today we will see the full moon through all these IPCs and Barlow lenses. So I hope that you must watch the whole video and don't skip any point. So this is how we will be proceeding in this video. So the full moon is about to rise in some few minutes, so we'll wait up to then and then we can start our observation. So friends, you can currently see the full moon through this 25 millimeter eyepiece, and this 25 millimeter eyepiece provides us about 36x of magnification. As I earlier told that the, let's say, focal length of this tube is 900 millimeters. So if we divide by 900 by 25, then we'll get 36x. So let's zoom in a little bit to see that how the details come out to be. Yes, you can see that upon zooming up to this much, about 1.8x, the full moon gets covered in the complete frame. I will further zoom in to see that how the details come out to be. Here we go. We can see the craters clearly, okay, at 5x digital zoom, okay. And let's see the other side, okay, of this moon. Yes, you can see the craters over here. So this is how the full moon looks like through 25 millimeter eyepiece and upon 5x digital zoom. So let's zoom out and now try with 10 millimeter eyepiece. So I will change this 25 millimeter up to 10 millimeter and then we'll see how does it come out to be. Okay, so friends, I have currently now attached the 10 millimeter eyepiece. There is a little bit aberration in this eyepiece, but we can see the full moon clearly. Okay, I will now arrange the full moon in the frame. Okay, so you can see that as compared to 25, upon magnification increase, you can see that the details are getting much clear. Okay, you can have a easy view of the craters of the moon through this 10 millimeter eyepiece. Okay, so let's move the moon throughout our frame so that we can get a better view of the craters. So you can see that this is how the full moon looks like through 10 millimeter eyepiece. The current magnification is 90x. Okay, as I said that the focal length is 900, so if we divide 900 by 10, that becomes 90. So the current magnification is 90x. So let's zoom in to see that how does the details come out to be. Yes, you can see that upon zooming also the details are pretty much good. You can have a clear view of the craters over here. Okay, so this is how the full moon looks through the 10 millimeter eyepiece, and upon I have done 1.8x digital zoom. Okay, so you can have a clear view like this. Okay, so friends, you can see over here that I have now attached the 4 millimeter eyepiece, and this 4 millimeter eyepiece gives us 225, that is 2 to 5x magnification, and you can have a more detailed view of the craters of the moon. Okay, you can see that the earth is not stationary as well as the moon. So if I keep the phone steady attached to my telescope, you can see the moon sliding in my frame. So I will just move it a little bit more upward so that you will have a clear view of all those craters of the moon. There we go. You can have a clear view through this. You can see that upon 22.225x magnification, the details are tremendously good. Let's see upon zooming how does the details come out to be. You can see a blue line above which is of aberration, obviously, okay, because upon increasing the magnification the aberration will increase. Let me focus it a little bit so that, yes, you can see now, just a bit, yes, you can see now the craters very clearly. So this is how the moon looks like through 4 millimeter eyepiece and upon 1.8x digital zoom. So let's zoom out and try with Barlow lenses plus 25 millimeter eyepiece. Okay, so friends, you can see now that I have attached the 25 millimeter eyepiece with 2x Barlow, which gives me roughly about 72x of magnification. Okay, so you can see that the moon is getting completely covered in my frame. I will adjust it a little bit. Okay, so you can see that the moon has completely covered. Again, as I said, that upon increasing the magnification, because of the low quality of let's say Barlow or eyepiece, the aberration can be seen. You can see a blue colored line to the let's say curvature of the moon. Okay, so I will zoom in again, okay, through this 2x and 25 millimeter eyepiece to see that how the details come out to be. Yes, they are pretty good, okay, as compared to the earlier 25 millimeter and digital zoom, okay, because currently it is 76x and 72x, sorry, and I am digitally zooming it, so you can see that how the details are coming out. Again, it's 1.7x, okay, so let's see the craters. You can clearly see it, okay. I will leave it as it is so that you can watch it clearly. So this is how 25 plus 2x, that gives me 72x magnification looks like. Okay, I will not try with the 3x Barlow, but because it will decrease the detail a bit, it is not good. Okay, so this was about this video. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it, then please share it so that you can expect my side from my side to upload more such videos. Okay, thank you for watching.